Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change location on Tinder. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you have to go to your Tinder app. And then from there, go to your profile and then go to settings. Now you will see there the location option. And what you're going to do is click on that. Now you can select the add new location, and take note that before you can do that, you have to subscribe to their premium, and that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.